At BIESSE, we use many different electromechanical components from Siemens, including motor starters, safety modules, soft starters, and power supply units like SPS and Siemens frequency converter. The machines for processing wood have a number of functions. A large challenge was reducing the space of our control cabinets to create room for this and finding a solution which allows us to house many devices in as small a space as possible. Another challenge for us is that we market our products worldwide and must find a standard solution which allows us to sell in all markets while observing the regulations of each country. Why did we decide to go with a SIRIUS 3RV infeed system? First of all, based on the flexibility of the solution. The second aspect is the modularity of these components, which allow us to reduce the number of cables and wiring errors, as well as to change motor starters without powering down in case of repairs.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.